Hi guys, welcome back to Cam's Tech Talk. This session, we are going to cover what is Salesforce, why Salesforce, what are the basic features that cover by Salesforce CRM. Okay. Again, the approach I'm going to take is the trailhead where you get all the relevant information. And I really want every one of you to learn from trailhead. Okay. I have created a structured approach. I will be coming with a lot of videos, especially the Salesforce beginners for admin, whoever is preparing for admin or associate or business analyst exam. This is kind of a consolidation of everything, all the lectures. I do take sessions with multiple people on weekends and late evenings. You're more than welcome to talk to me if you need it. But this is intro about Salesforce with me, Cam. Okay, so started with Salesforce. What is Salesforce? Customer success platform designed to help you sales, which means managing the new client, new customers, new contractors, new lead, new management, new things with sell. So I can look at what's the revenue, how much I made money, what's my company revenue, how much we make, if it's a college, how many fees is coming, how many students coming, or if it's a retail shop, what's my monthly, how many new customers, how many conversions happen, all that stuff, it goes under sales. Then it comes down to service, tickets, IT support, maybe Netflix customer care support, maybe ABC company, Amazon customer service support, right? There are multiple companies that do sell products and they service products. Okay. Then about marketing. Now, marketing is like Coca-Cola. They want to run campaigns about Coca-Cola has discounts, Coca-Cola is selling, Coca-Cola has B2B, which is business to business relationship or something. Okay, they want to market something, and that obviously Salesforce can manage in single view platform, right? So sell, service, market. Then after, once we have the data, obviously I have to analyze data, which is again single page. You can't do everything on Excel sheet because Excel sheet is like you're giving you one place where you can add records, right? It's like a rows and columns where you can. So I have fields. I first name, middle name, last name. I can create these three columns to input the data. But when it comes down to sharing, it takes time, right? So I do have articles. Someone created Raymaker. It's on my screen right now. They really has created really nice article on this about the difference between why Salesforce is better than Excel. I'm not saying Excel is better than Salesforce or Salesforce is better than Excel, but these are just 5 different reasons why a business should have Salesforce. Okay, have a look this article. I would say it's really a good thing to know about what people's view. Every person, every viewer, every group, when they post something with their own view, how things are working. Okay, I really like it. They put information security issues, compatibility issue, integration issues. You can't do a lot of integrations. I know it's a shorter implementation, but again, there are challenges. Okay, so CRM. This is how you organize data in Salesforce. Again, opportunity, lead, files, as you can see on the screen right now. These are all different web pages, but it's all consolidated in a single view. So account, contact, opportunity. If you can see on the top, account name, close date, doesn't it look like Excel sheet? You got account name? Yes, ACME is a name. Close date? There is a date. Amount? There is an amount. Opportunity name? Yes, there is a name of the opportunity. So it's like a combination of rows and column when you view the data. But you need single somewhere place where you can input the data. So these are the 5 different things you can see: record, field, object, org, and app. Org or guide admins. Make sure you know what is org. So it's a platform. So I'm logged into Salesforce. That's my org. So this is my org. I'm old. I'm logged in, right? And this is where I can see the information about my org. I can click on setup, and I can go quick find. I can find a company, And ta-da, here you go. I can see company, what my company is doing, what my currency is, what many licenses I have, permission sets. This is all about my company, and this is my org. Every company have their own org. Some companies have multiple orgs. Some companies have one org, two orgs. It depends on your requirement. Coming back to Salesforce, object is like a table, but we call object in Salesforce. Field, every single column in Excel sheet is a field in Salesforce. It's a field on Excel as well, but it's a way of thinking how you manage. App, we just see the app. So I'm on the sales app. You can see here, this is a sales app. Then obviously you will have a service app as well, which you can't see, but we will cover when I do the navigation. I will show you sales, service, custom, other apps. There are multiple app one, app two, app three. You can create multiple apps as well. I will show you guys when I cover the navigation. So this is a simple and short customer relationship management application is running on web with a table and a single view user interface. It's called Customer 360 View in a Salesforce world where you can see everything in one place. So here you go. This is what CRM is. This is what Salesforce is. You can call it a container. You can call this is rows and column combination. Like whatever is easier for you to manage. And they have a lead, they have contact, they have account, they have opportunities. But what exactly is for you as an engineering student? So engineering sure students, if I say very simple example, you going to a college admission, and what's the input? What's the journey for student? Lead is a new student. Contact is anybody who is non-staff, right? Account or person account, again, lead to account journey. So person account is a new student. Opportunity can be my application form. Products can be my course fees, right? And there are many more where I can see. I can run reports to see all of my student data, right? I can run events for students. I have ability. I can have an event object where have student events have been organized. Okay, so then obviously who's managing all this? It can be sales manager, can be a student admin staff, can be head of department, can be a normal staff members, and they are all Salesforce users who are creating records in the Salesforce. Okay, that's for the engineering students or any student in the college. But what Salesforce is for retail people, so retail people, I would say they want to manage a customer who wants to book property viewing. For me, that person is a new lead. I will input the lead in the system. And as the lead converts, it progress towards winning, you add the data and move from lead to opportunity and you create a contact. Contact means you have to create an account and they all link together. We will be covering relationships, we will be covering data model, we will be covering navigation, we will be covering all the new things moving forward. So this was about a simple Salesforce. What is it? I will share this link to you guys. Any questions, let me know. We'll take it from there. Thank you guys. See you again in the next session. That will be about navigation. Cheers, guys. Bye.